What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be finishing off the brakes. If you watched my other video, I did the front brakes. Now I'm going to be doing the rear brakes. So if you take a look here again at the rear brakes, the rear also has begun to form this lip on the outer edges of the brake disc. As you can see, the rear brake pads are really short, actually, really low compared to the front. So this is definitely the time to be doing this. So yeah, like in the first video, I'm going to be replacing the brake disc and the brake pads. And if we come over here, we take a look at the new rear brake disc. As you can see, it doesn't have the dimpled and slotted design like on the front. These are also from Zimmerman. Zimmerman didn't actually have this design for the rears in the size I needed for my brake package. They had it for the M Sport brake package, but I don't have that. So I just went ahead and got the regular. These are size 333 by 20 millimeters for the rear, and then the front were 340 by 30 millimeters, if I remember correctly. And so yeah, and then I have new brake pads here, the correct ones. Initially, I actually ordered the wrong brake pads. I ordered the ones for the M Sport package, but I didn't have that one, so I had to send them back and order the correct ones. These are also from Ekibono, so hopefully this will eliminate all that brake dust that's coming from whatever brake pads are on those. So yeah, now that we have the correct brake pads and the rotors, we should be good to go. Alright guys, that wraps up this complete brake pad and brake disc replacement for the front and the rear. As usual, I will leave links to the exact rear brake pads that I used and the brake discs, so you can check those out if you need to replace your brake disc or brake pads. I mentioned before they're from FCP Euro, which, like I said, is the place for any sort of replacement parts for your BMW. It's my go-to. I get all my parts from there, so I definitely recommend them. And that about wraps up this video. If you have any comments or questions or anything, as usual, comment those down below and I will get back to you. But anyway guys, I will see you on the next one.